Hey guys, it's Viggo. Today we're talking about my amazing birthday present. It's the Mitu robot builder. MI is making a toy. Okay, since my parents is a big fan of this brand, they gave me this present. Dude, this is so cool. I can't wait to build it. What? This awesome thing can also be coded using a headphone? Unbelievable. So sorry about the audio. Dad decided to turn it off because it sounds not so good to me. It also can build into a dinosaur using the same pieces. Okay, and now it's time for unboxing. Wow, what is this? Well, we'll find out later. Wow, that's a lot of parts. The book is so thick, I start to think if I can build it myself, or should I call my dad to help me? But he's on the camera. One of the best part is they give a tray to put all the stuff so you can keep all of these small parts easily. Now that's understanding. Before trying the smartphone remote, you must download the app first, MI Robot Builder Global. Available on Play Store for Android and App Store for iOS. Connected using Bluetooth. And voila! You can read more about MI Robot Builder at their website www.mi.com. It's not so hard to find it from there. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to follow my channel and put some comments below. Thanks for watching and bye!